Hello, good morning, students. How are you all? Yesterday we have solved exercise 13.3 conical portion. Today we will start spherical. Then what is sphere? This is a three-dimensional figure which is moves around a fixed point, that is sphere. It is the radius of the sphere, and this one is the diameter of the sphere. We know that radius is the half of the diameter, so we can say radius as r, and surface area of sphere will be 4 pi r square. Surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. There is only one surface around the spherical, so this one is the surface area, the cut surface area and the total surface area is the same. Now we cut the sphere into two equal parts such that this portion is the half of the total spherical. This one is the radius, and there are two surfaces. First one is this and second one is this, a circular portion. Here cut surface area of hemisphere means we cut the total sphere into equal parts. Then this portion is the half of this sphere. The CSA means this surface is 2 pi r square, half of the total sphere, and TSA, total surface area, is equal to, we added the circular area in the CSA, then we obtained TSA, total surface area 2 pi r square plus pi r square means area of circle, then 3 pi r square. And now we solve exercise 13.4. The first question is, find the surface area of the sphere of radius. This one 10.5 centimeter. Here we take a sphere and radius of this is given 10.5 centimeter. Then r is equal to 10.5 centimeter and surface area is equal to 4 pi r square. Then we put the value of r in surface area. Then 4 pi means 22 by 7. It is given already. And r square means 10.5 by 2, 10.5 into 10.5. And we remove the point. Then 4 into 22 by 7 into 105 and remove the point by 10, and this also remove the point by 10. We calculate this. 5 to the 521 the 5 to the 521 the 7 1 the 7 3 the, and 4 to 4 cancel, and here 22 into 11 3 the 63, 22 into 63. Then 63 to the 126, carry 12 or 3, 63 to the 126, 126 and 12, 138, 1386 centimeter square. Now in other part B and C we can easily find by this formula. Second question is, find the surface area of the sphere of diameter. These are given diameter, then we need here radius, then we can find the radius half of diameter. Here 7 centimeter radius and put in the surface area in 4 pi r square. Then we can easily find three parts. Next question is, find the total surface area of the hemispherical of radius 10 centimeter. Next question is, this one is hemispherical and we have to find the total surface area. We know that this one is the cut surface area and the circular portion is pi r square, and adding in CSA, then we obtain TSA. Then here r is equal to 10 centimeter and TSA 3 pi r square. Here 3 into 22 by 7. Here is given value of pi 3.14. 3 into 3.14 into r square means 10 into 10 is equal to 100. Then here 3 into the multiplication of 3.14 into 100 will be 314. Then here this one is 942 centimeter square. So the total surface area of the hemispherical having radius 10 centimeter is 942 centimeter square. Okay. Next question is, if the radius of the spherical balloon increase 7 to 14 centimeter as the air is pumped into it, then find the ratio of the surface area of the balloon in two cases. This one is balloon in case first and this one balloon in case second after pumping air. Here we can say small letter r and this one is capital letter R. Then r is equal to 7 centimeter and r is equal to 14 centimeter. The CSA in case first is equal to 4 pi small letter r square. Then we find the ratio, then upon CSA in case second, this one upon 4 pi capital letter R square. We put the value 4 pi cancel and R square means 7 square upon R square means 14 square. Then here 49 upon 196. Then this ratio is in case first and second. Then we know, then here we observe that the ratio of the surface areas is equal to the square of their corresponding radius in the ratio of the corresponding radius. Now next question arises here. We calculate this this one 49 and this one 196. Then we calculate 7 ja and 7 to the 14, 7 to the 14 and 7 8 ja 56, 7 1 ja and 7 4 ja. Then required ratio is 1:4. Next question is fifth. If a hemispherical ball made of brass has inner diameter is 10.5 centimeter, and then the find of the cost of the tin plating on inner side at the rate of the rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. This one is hemispherical ball and inner radius is this, and inner radius is 10.5 centimeter, and we have to find the tin plating. Then here the cut surface area is of ball is equal to 2 pi r square. Then this equal to 2 into the value of pi we have to take 22/7 into r square means 10.5 into 10.5. Then here 2 into 22 by 7 into 105 by 10 into 105 by 10. Calculation of this will be equal to 15 ja, and here 2 5 ja, 5 3 ja, and 2 5 ja, and 2 11 ja. Then here 11 3 ja 33, 33 into 105, 33 into 105 upon 5. Then this will be calculation will be 11 ja. Here we can 21. Then here 33 into 21. Then 21 3 ja 63, carry 6, 21 3 ja 63 and 6 69 centimeter square. 21 3 ja 63, carry 6, 21 3 ja 63, 69 centimeter square. Then here cost of tin plating on 100 centimeter square equal to rupees 16. Cost of tin plating on 1 centimeter square equal to 16 upon 100 rupees, and cost of tin plating on 693 centimeter square is equal to 16 upon 100 multiplied by 693. Then here we calculate this 4 4 ja 425 ja, and here 4 3 ja 12, 4 3 ja 12, carry 1, 4 9 ja 36, 37, 36 137, carry 3, 4 6 ja 24, 24 or 3 27, and here upon 25, and this one is 25 1 ja 25, 2 25 1 ja 25, again 2 0.4. The question is hemispherical bowl. Fifth question. Again check your calculation. CSF bowl made of the brass. This cost of the tin plating on inner side percent 16 rupees 16 per centimeter square. 2 pi r square, 2 pi into r square this. Then here this one is diameter. Sorry, we have to take here this one is diameter, so this one change in radius change means upon 2 and upon 2. Then here 2 into 22 by 7 into, here we can take 20 and 20. So the calculation will be equal to 2 pi r square. Then here 21, sorry 15, and this one is 10, and 5 3 ja 5, 4 ja 2 2 ja 2 11 ja, and 5 2 ja 5 21 ja, and here this one is 33 into 21 upon 4. Then here 21 3 जा 63, carry 6, 21 3 जा 63, 63 and 69 upon 4. Then this one is 4 1 जा 4, 2 4 7 जा 28 1 and 4 3 जा 12 25 rupees. This one is the accurate calculation. And after that, question number here, question number 6. Find the radius of the sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. Then here is given sphere. This one is sphere and surface area is given, so we can take radius as r. Then according to problem, 4 pi r square equal to given 154. Then 4 into 22 by 7 into r square equal to 154, and r square equal to 154 into 7 by 4 into 22. 22 1 जा 22, 22 7 जा. Then r square equal to 49 by 4, and r equal to square root of 49 by 4 will be 7 by 2. Then radius will be, required radius is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Okay. Next question is, if the diameter of the moon approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth, then find the ratio of the surface areas. Here this one is let moon and this one is earth. Then here we can take r and here we can take capital letter R. So if the radius of the diameter of the moon is 1/4 of the diameter of the earth, so the radius will be also 1/4 of the radius of earth. Therefore r is equal to radius of moon let is equal to small letter r, and radius of earth capital letter R. So surface area of moon is equal to 4 pi small letter r square upon surface area of earth 4 pi capital letter R square. Here 4 pi to 4 pi cancel, r square means given r square, and this one is r is equal to 4r, because radius of the moon is 1/4 of earth. Therefore radius of the earth will be 4 times of moon. Then here we can put 4 small letter r whole square. Then calculation of this will be r square r upon 4r whole square, and here r square upon 16 r square. Then r square to r square cancel, and required ratio is 1:16. Then ratio of the moon to the earth will be 1:16. The next question is, a hemispherical ball is made of steel 0.25 centimeter thickness, and inner radius of the ball is 5 centimeter. Then find the outer cut surface area of the ball. This one is the hemispherical ball and thickness is this. Then here thickness is 0.25 centimeter and inner radius is 5 5 centimeter. Then we have to find the outer cut surface area, so we have to take the radius, outer radius. Then outer radius we take r is equal to 5 plus 0.25. Then radius is equal to 5.25 centimeter. Then outer cut surface, outer CSA is equal to 2 pi r square. Then here 2 into 22 by 7 into r square means 5.25 into 5.25. Then 2 into 22 by 7 into 525 by 100, remove the point, 525 upon 100. Then we calculate this 25 4 ja 25, 21 ja 25, 4 ja 25, 21 ja. Then here 7 1 ja 7 3 ja, 2 1 ja 2 2 ja, 2 1 ja 2 11 ja. Then here require outer CSA will be 11 3 is 33 into 21 upon 4. Then we calculate this one 21 3 is 63, carry 6, 21 3 is 63, 69 upon 4. And here 4 1 is 4, 2 4 7 is or 4 3 is 2 5 centimeter square. So the outer cut surface area of the hemispherical is 173.25 centimeter square. Then enough for today. In next lecture we will start 13.5, and thank you. Have a nice day.